Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to move media output button to notifications panel in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to move your media output button to your notification panel, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to click on this pencil icon over here, then click on panel settings. Now here the very first thing you have to make sure that you have selected together here. So the difference is that if you have selected separate, your notification panel and your quick setting will be separated. You can see and left left top corner I have only notifications, and in top right corner I have only quick settings and nothing else. So if you selected this together here, now select together, go back, click on done, and you can see from top right corner I can grab my notification first and then my quick settings. So same thing goes to our left side. The very first you'll see notifications here, and then you'll see your quick settings. So once you have selected together in your panel setting, just scroll down. You might see device control and media output buttons. Click on it, then click on show when panel collapsed. Once you have done, just go back, click on this done button, go back from here, and just scroll down to control center. In notification section or in notification panel, you might see this media output button over here. You can also see device control, but main thing you can see media output button here. You just have to click on it and you can change your media output. So in this way, you can easily move your media output buttons on notification side or notification panel in the Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.